So like I said in my other video, I just kind of showed you. I'm just gonna do a video on this, on how to do this, because it'll be a lot nicer for people to look up. But here's all the stuff where we're gonna put this. It's actually very thin, Noico. Read that if you want to. But yeah, it's actually like, come on, focus. It's actually super thin, like to kind of put that in perspective. If you can focus. Yeah, it's super thinnish, but it's like, let's see, hold on. I don't know if that's gonna make any difference, but just kind of showing you, and then if I knock on the body. But because I mean, technically that's kind of like what it would be like if I attached to this. But anyways, yeah, we'll get that done. Probably definitely gonna have to do during this weekend, so because I don't have time right now. But for you guys, it won't be just a couple seconds. I got plenty of sheets. It's 36 square feet, it says, to do, and I think on my kill mat it was like the same, I want to say, and it pretty much did the whole wall and then some of the floor. So that's pretty much what I want to do, is get the what's called the rear cab door or cab wall and the passenger floor, because that's where the exhaust is. But yeah, I'll put down the link below to get this, and we'll find out how it does. It's gonna do good, I'm sure. But we're gonna start on this. Let's see, finally the day to do it. It's a little cold, so we might need to use the heat gun a little bit, but we're gonna get her started. Let's pull her out and grab and see where we can put this. So we're gonna start with the wall, because that's the most important thing. This part, and then the rear floor is where I get the most drone noise, road noise, because of my exhaust. And yeah, so mainly this and the wall, but I'm definitely gonna get the wall done first. So let's do that and clean her up a little bit. I used some Windex already and wiped her down. Well, I should get some alcohol, just clean it off a little bit more, but I'll try to see if I can find some, but we'll get her lined up. Yeah, I've done the top part, and then I'm started that side, and I'm gonna do this side. But there's kind of a little bit of difference, sound difference, because obviously because of the foam, obviously. But yeah, working here in the Idaho weather, snowing and raining, you have to make sure you use a heat gun, because it even says right here, do not do or install under 60-degree weather. And so I think, or unless there's a heat gun, it says. So we're doing that. We got that side done. It's not terrible, but I'm just using my roller too that I got from my kill mat stuff. I'll put that on the link below too to get. But yeah, you just got to kind of work your way there, and yeah, we'll start doing the bottom. But I think I've only done, see, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, because that's half. I was like, wait, that's not a full sheet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 and a, well, 6 and a half to be exact sheets, and there's like a ton. So we'll pretty sure we'll get the whole bottom, this whole thing done probably, and we'll start putting the stereo stuff back in. So pretty much got that back on the little board I built, and then I'm screwed that in because I'm going to be holding 2 amps on there. So yeah, but anyways, so to go on to this, it's once you get through the wall, because that's the hardest part, because you got to poke the holes, got to make sure everything's right, and everything's kind of like hilly and intricate about stuff. And then once you get to the bottom, it's goes pretty quick. So I got pretty much the whole rear cab done, and I'm ready just to put everything back in, because I'm like, I want to like hear it and drive, but I got like one more step. I got to take these pillars out so I can get the speaker wire from my other video. And then, but yeah, so we're gonna do probably, I have quite a bit, not too much, but yeah, like, you know, like 7 or 8 or sheets more. So I'm only probably gonna be able to do this side, which is what I really want, because that's where the exhaust is. It comes through here to the back, obviously. So I got the whole rear seat, and that's where the main drone was coming from. So let's do that. We'll get that, and then they'll be done. So we're back after I got my interior back in and then stuff and everything. It actually, like, it did cut it down, Not as much as I was gonna think it was gonna do, but it did pretty. I mean, it helps. It's not like everything, because obviously I didn't have enough really to do the front side. I did, about more than halfway up the cab from the rear, and it does quiet it. It's like just cruising here, I can't hear anything at all. I can hear more of the engine more than anything, but I can't hear more of the exhaust, which was what I was going for. If I absolutely did probably every single inch of this, yeah, it would definitely help, especially the kill mat and everything. But yeah, really, it cut it down. Like, it was, I don't know, it's hard to explain because obviously you need to be here, but it did cut it out, and it's not like the drone went down a little bit. You can still hear it a little bit at like higher. If I get to like about 25,000, okay, I don't even care. Yeah, 25 whatever RPMs, I am like totally losing it. Yeah, if I get that high and there's that one, probably it's between 22 and 25, it's deafening almost sometimes, especially when you're like going up a hill. But I just did that, and it cut it down. It's bearable, because before I'd be like, wow, and all you can hear is that. But yeah, it's definitely worth it if you have if you have a day or a day and a half. I would say you should do it. It's nice, and it's helped with the bass. Because I've turned this up, which my next video is going to be, is I've turned it up super loud, and nothing rattles, and you don't hear anything. It's super nice. But as soon as you open the door, it's like loud, and that's just because of the Noico red dampening, whatever foam you want to call it. It is good. It is. I'm not gonna lie, it's good, and it's not like if you do it and then it's gonna like totally release, or totally just deaden the whole interior. You're not gonna hear a thing. It will help, though. It definitely does help, so don't take me wrong on that. So yeah, definitely get it. I'll put down a link below, and you can buy it for yourself and try it out on your car or truck or van. So